Alright folks, today I'm doing curry chicken. I'll show you the process. Wash the chicken with some vinegar, cut it up, clean it. So after that, we're gonna get to the seasoning. Alright, so I got the chicken. I'm gonna drain that, probably get another wash. Got the chicken cut up. These are my seasoning. I got tomatoes, green pepper, red pepper, onion. I got scallion, which y'all call green onion. That's it right here. Got my thyme. I'm gonna add some pimento, or I'm gonna add some, these are my seasoning for the curry. I got some curry, all-purpose, and a little bit of paprika. I'm gonna add some salt and pimento. I don't think I mentioned I got garlic in here too. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, so I'll wash the chicken, wash it with some vinegar and water. Don't use soap. So I'm gonna transfer it from my washing bowl to my seasoning bowl. I just like to be cautious, you know what I mean? Make sure we have a good, nice, clean pot. So I don't do measurements. If you want measurements, comment and I'll do my best to get the correct measurement. This is for 5 pieces of thighs. So I normally just seasoning to where I could get all the chicken colored. Yeah. Get enough for the back when I rub it up. I'll let you know if and when I add more. All purpose. I don't like to use a lot. So, like that. My paprika. I use the least amount of paprika. Then the seasoning I showed you. Onion, sweet peppers, red and green. Tomato, green onions, and garlic, and thyme. We'll dump it in there. Bada bing. Mix it up. Definitely gonna add more seasoning, some more curry, a little bit more all-purpose, maybe a little bit. I'll probably add the same quantity of what I added earlier. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more curry and a little bit more all-purpose. So I'm just sprinkling it over all the chicken. You see it? So I might take it easy on the salt and pepper later, black pepper, because I kind of did it with the paprika. All right. See right here, I still feel like I could get some more curry on it. But it's significant because I'm gonna add curry to the pot again. So yeah. So what's included in here is the stuff I chopped up earlier. Yeah. Then I cut up some Irish potatoes. You can add it later, but I add it now and just curry it. You want to get some of the curry on it too, you know? I'm gonna add my pimento. Look good. You see the colors coming in. So on. Yeah. So I'm gonna add my pimento and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it marinate. And then to edit, now it's time to marinate. All right, folks, got my vegetable oil. That's my oil of choice. You see the level? I like to get it to the base. Let it get hot. I'm gonna add this to the oil while it's getting hot. And you'll know when it's hot because you'll hear it like trying to fry it. All right? Matter of fact, I'll show y'all right now. So what I got in it, I got like 2 pimento seeds, some thyme, scallion, and a garlic, and zim. Now I let it get hot. This will help season up the oil, make it taste good. Once that get hot, I'll add my chicken that's marinating in the fridge. All right, folks, you can tell the oil is hot. All right, next step, I'm gonna burn some curry. You know what I mean? The quantity I go for, I just make sure I fill all the oil. There's them. Go like that. All you're doing is stirring it around. All you're doing is stirring it around, right? See the color? Making sure you get all the curry. So what I'll probably add later is 1 spoon of butter, but that's long into the cooking. Matter of fact, I'll wait and I'll let you know when I add it. All right, folks, I'm satisfied with the oil. Might have added a lot of oil, but make it work, you know what I mean? But I'm satisfied with the color. I'm still gonna be stirring with the chicken, so I'm gonna add the chicken now. So here I have the chicken. It's everything you seen me do earlier, nothing added. All you do is just drop the chicken in. I'm gonna pause, drop it in, and then come back. All right, bowl is empty. I drop the chicken in, scrape out the extra seasoning. So after you drop the chicken in, you're just gonna stir it. See the oil that you got? I'm trying to get the oil on every part of the chicken. I'm gonna burn the curry onto it. So all you're doing is stirring it and just let it keep touching the chicken, you know what I mean? Let the chicken get to the bottom. Stir it some more, make sure it get on every side. All right. So, close up. So I'm gonna have to pause, but this is basically all I'm doing. I'm gonna just keep doing it and letting the curry get onto the chicken. So that's where you get the curry color and you burn it onto it, all right? Stove kind of low, so I'm gonna turn it up a little so make sure the oil stay hot. So all I did, I stirred the chicken, made sure oil got on top of every piece. I'm using one hand right now. I don't have none of those stands, so that's why I gotta keep zooming in and out. But you see the color it got on it. I'm gonna stir it some more, get some on every piece, and After that, I'm gonna cover the pot and let it steam on its own, and you'll see the result. All right, so I'm comfortable with what I did. All right, so that's all my veggies that I cut up. You got your potatoes. I got one Irish potato in there. You can add another, you can add two if you like. Potato's sweet because it sucks up the curry, so feel free to add two. So I stirred it up. So now I'm gonna got the stove on like 6. I'm just trying to make sure it get hot so it could create some steam. The steam's gonna hit this. I trap the steam in, that creates water, so no need to add water, all right? So chicken got stirred. All you're gonna do is put the pot on and let the steam do the cooking, all right? Catch you back. All right, you see it? That's the process. And so periodically I like to open it up and stir it around. Let it cook some more. Trust me, it's not done yet, so you'll see the finished result. Look, you see the water coming up? Yeah, that's from the steam. Got the stove on about 7. Progress check number 2. All right, you see the steam? See the chicken coming along? I'm gonna stir it, close it back. All right, this is basically the same check as what just did. I'm adding butter. This is my daddy used to love adding butter. R.I.P. to the good man. So I'm gonna add butter, stir it around, close it back. Butter just for taste a little. I already got oil in it. So I didn't have to use that much oil. I mean, it won't harm it or anything. But butter for taste. Stir it around, make it melt. Or you could just leave it there, but I like to make it melt. Cover it back. Let it marinate. Excuse me, let it cook. No free advertisement. But yeah. It's gonna continue cooking. I'm Jamaican, I could touch the pot like that. I'm a gangster. No, I'm not a gangster, I don't promote gangs. But yeah. Alright folks. Food is complete. I had I added some salt. Camera is not doing it justice, so I added salt. I added some black pepper, just like a teaspoon of each. All right, it's done.